Join me in the rain. Malone House, and it has food to the right. Oh, here we are. Here is where I get my free firewood. Look at that. Can you see that? That pillar is smoking. What? I love these here natural tunnels the trees make. Ooh. Let's give this tree a hug. It looks very, very old. Come here, you. Oh, I love you too. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. Alright. And I just... Here, it's yours now. Oh. Save me! Save me! Help! Help! That bench is now one with nature. Now that the rain has stopped, I might just work on my tan. So let me just strip off and relax down here. Yes, okay, so far so good. So far so good. Ah! Hello, crows. Oh, this is the bacon residence. Oh. I see these boxes everywhere, and I always assume that if I go too close to them, I will die from radiation or something. According to my phone, I just passed 10,000 steps. Yeah! Someday, guys, someday I will own grass like this. Oh! Dandelion! Dandelion autumn! Yes! I don't know if that's a dandelion or a daffodil, but it's, hey, it's growing in autumn, you wee chump. I found a dandelion! We can all call off work. What the flip is that? What the flip is that supposed to be? Oh, free gifts! Swords cup, swords cup, swords cup. I really like those gifts there. They just have this old-fashioned rustic Irish look. Yes, there's where my brother lives, there's where my sister lives, and there, most important of all, is where my hamster lives. So now we are just taking the most elaborate way to walk back home. Oh, speed bump. I have no idea where I am or what day it is. Oh, I know where I am now. Paddy is safe!